Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Log into Faceit and make sure your client and game are updated. Once done, switch to Ethernet if possible and test ping. Keep it under 50 ms for stability. Also, quit overlays, VPN, and apps that upload or fight for ports so Faceit can bind correctly. Do these first because they're the most common causes. They eliminate 70 to 80% of connection problems and let you move on to deeper fixes without wasting time. Next, go deeper into networking and the client. Once your basics are clean, enable UPnP or forward the Faceit ports on your router to your local IP so traffic isn't blocked. This reduces matchmaking errors. Then flush DNS and renew your IP to clear stale routes. These commands reset name resolution issues. Make sure the Faceit client runs as administrator and reinstall it if it still misbehaves, while checking Windows firewall and NIC drivers so packets flow correctly. To finish, validate everything. Run the Faceit latency or diagnostic tool, then join a casual match to confirm stability. Once stable, keep logging enabled so you have timestamps and error codes if problems return. If issues persist, perform a clean boot to rule out startup conflicts. Test an alternate network like a mobile hotspot to isolate ISP issues, and then submit a support ticket with collected logs. This gives Faceit the data they need to resolve stubborn problems fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.